Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash, and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. Gold edges higher on possible safe haven demand. Gold trades near record levels. Gold rose above 2870 per ounce on Monday, near record highs driven by safe haven demand after US President Donald Trump announced 25% tariff on all steel and aluminum import, escalating trade war fears. So this is the reason, my dear friends, why we can see that right after the market opening, gold is going up again. Overall, we have discussed about the chart of gold, the trading opportunities on Saturday very well on detail. And right now we don't have any new levels on the chart. But yes, the market is still bullish and that is confirmed. Because on Saturday we also discussed about a possibility of showing some retracement or correction. Because on the higher time frame like daily and weekly, gold is standing at the swing high, and no market goes up in a straight line, goes down in a straight line. Market will have to come for correction, but God knows, okay, when the correction will come. And right now it seems that gold is still not ready for the correction yet. So as I have already mentioned in my previous video also, so if you're a positional trader and if you're having a buy on gold, holding gold from 2600 2700 level, you can hold your gold with SL below 2850. If gold breaks 2850, you need to exit and you need to wait for a better price so that you can grab again. And if you're looking for a fresh position, new position as a swing trader, position trader, then obviously this is not the right time. Gold will come down for correction, then only it will be better for us to buy. Because if you go for a buy right now, you will be paying a much higher price. Okay, around 2720, 2730, we can expect the best level, best price. But nobody knows, okay, when gold will come down. Okay, so now let's talk about day trading. So we can see that we do not have any new levels on the chart, and after the market opening, market did not go for retracement also. So market is still trading inside this range here. So the levels that we discussed on Saturday regarding retracement are still very much valid. For example, we discussed about 2820, 2830 as the best support. Yes, this is still the best support. If market surprises us during the European session, US session, we can expect market to take support. Then we also discussed about support around 283935, the dotted line here. Yes, this support is also valid because 282030 is little far away, but we also have a support around 285052. On Monday I told you guys, not Monday, on Saturday I told you guys, okay, this support is little weak one. Chances are heavy that this will not work, but now we can see that this level also have the potential to provide support to the market. So on the chart of gold, we have three levels around 285253 250. Okay, this is support. Then this one 383936. Okay, then this one, this purple box. So these are the support levels. This is the strongest one. Okay, so if you see that there's a heavy selling pressure, this will be the level where you can look for a buy. And now we do not have any immediate levels, so it seems that there's a high chance market is going for a breakout. And if gold breaks to 888 level, obviously we can go for a buy at breakout, but be very careful because market is at a very dangerous level, fragile level. So as a day trader, only go for a buy at breakout. And there's a high chance that if gold breaks 2888 then 2900 will no longer be a resistance, and there's a high chance gold will be heading towards 2950 and oh my god, 3000 level. Okay. Nobody imagined that 3000 is going to be a reality. Yes. Anyways, let's wait and watch. Okay, how does market react around this high here? So if you see that during the European session, US session, there is a sudden buying power in the market and market is going for a breakout, market forms a big green candle, then you can go for a breakout. But if you see that market is going up with small candle, for example, right now we can see that the size of the candles are not very big. It means that the volume is not very high, and for any breakout, volume is extremely important. Without volume, it will be a false breakout. So if you see market going up, going for a breakout with the same size of the candles, then it's better to avoid, because after breakout market will be coming down again. Means the previous resistance will be working as a new support, then you can go for a buy. It will be much safer, and you will be buying at retracement because the previous resistance will be working as support around 2888, 2887, 2890, and you can go for a buy, and easily you can look for target of 90 to 100 pips on gold. Okay, so buying at breakout, yes, the opportunity is there in the market, but it is risky. If volume doesn't come, then it may be a false breakout. In that case, you can look for buy at not buying at breakout, but buying at retracement when the same level will be working as the new support for the market. And right now, I don't see any immediate level on the chart right now. If we move to a lower time frame, like 15 minutes also, I don't see any strong levels here. If market comes down like this, and if 2870 later becomes the support, then as a day trader, yes, only as a day trader, you can look for a buy position. You can look for a target of 50 to 60 pips around 2870 if market comes to retracement. 2870, 2869, but these are weak levels, do not forget. Okay, these are weak levels. And if you see the market faces resistance around 288685 area, and you're confused where to buy, okay, you can draw FEBO like this. Okay, you can draw FEBO from 2852 area. For example, market faces resistance around this zone. What you can do is you can just draw FEBO like this. You will get the levels. For example, you can look for buy at 2878, 2875. So this is how you can also find out if you see market facing resistance around 288586 area. Okay, because see, right now I'm recording the video in the Asian session, so during the European session, US session, many things will happen, isn't it? I cannot predict right now what will happen, so just I'm telling you that if market faces resistance around 288586 area, taking a sell can be risky because market is bullish right now. So what you can do is you can just draw Fibonacci, find out the levels and look for a buy. Okay, and before hitting this resistance here, if you see market coming down, then around 2861, 2867, 6870 area also you can look for some support as well. So whatever I have discussed, okay, these are for day traders only. Let me repeat again so that you don't get confused. So we have seen that after the market open, gold is going up again. Though gold is trading in a very fragile zone right now because of the trade war gold is still super bullish. So if you have any ongoing buy on gold, you can hold your buy with your stop loss below 2850. As a positional trader, swing trader, if you're looking for new position in the market, it's better to wait because market is trading at a very high price right now, and obviously you will not find area of value. So as a day trader, you can look for levels, level to level trading, or look for good levels. But as a swing trader, position trader, you need to wait because once market will come down for retracement, that will be a better opportunity. So during the day, my dear friends, if we see market coming down to the previously discussed support levels like 283020, we can look for a buy. But that level is far away. So we can also look for buy around 2835, 2839 and 2850 area as well. And if market doesn't come for retracement at all, because gold is sometimes adamant, so in that case we can look for buy at breakout above 2888 area. But buying at breakout is super risky because market is standing at a cliff right now. Okay, but still, if market doesn't want to come down, we can't help it. As a trader, we can look for buy at breakout, but be careful. Buying at breakout is risky. If you don't want to take the risk, you can wait for the same level to become the new support. This is how price action works. Okay, and if market reverses from the current zone here, you can look for 2870, 2869 area because the same level will be working as a new support. Not a good or strong level because we are on the 15 minutes time frame right now. Okay, and if you are planning to take a sell at this particular level here, it can be very risky. If you don't want to take high risk, later on we can just draw FIBO like this. Right now I cannot draw because it will not be a very wise decision or logical thing here. And my dear friends, if you're a day trader and you don't want to pay big spread to the broker, then you can consider Star Trader. On Star Trader, you can trade on gold with a spread of only 17. Just imagine 17 spread on gold. because all of us give hundreds of spread to the broker every month. Imagine you'll only be paying only 17 spread to gold, so your profit will also increase. Not only Star Trader is a tier 1 licensed broker, it's also a member of the Financial Commission, so you don't need to worry about the safety because it also provides insurance up to $1 million, which very few brokers provide. So if you're looking for details, you can visit my website, okay, and you can open the account. Just let me know after account opening that Avilash, I have opened my account. Okay, this is my account number. Okay, just reduce the spread. Okay, so I'll forward your account. Okay, so you can consider starter if you're a day trader.